Hello, Tommy here to welcome you to my introductory video for a series of scroll saw beginner videos. These videos are intended to be very simple, not very technical at all. We're going to start out with just what you need to know for the next step in this hobby, which can grow into a business if you wish it to. But we're going to make it simple and basic, as I said, and I'll try to keep it inexpensive. I've been scrolling for 10 years, both here at home in my tiny little shop and on the road at flea markets, where I custom cut personalized items for people on site. I also took orders. A lot of times they were custom orders for people for things that they wanted, and that's been a lot of fun. Also made a little bit of money at it. On the wall behind me you can see some of the items that I have created, and as we go through the series we'll show you more of those and the things you can do and you can customize and create. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you my recommendation for 2 books that are good for the beginner. And these videos will cover subjects such as scroll saw and blades. We'll cover other tools you need, such as drills and drill bits. We'll cover patterns and stock, which can be different things. Usually it's wood, but you can use metal and plastic. Also cover other materials you need, such as adhesives and tapes. I'll also cover how to prepare the stock and apply the pattern, and then how to cut the project. We're going to start out simple on that, just some straight lines and curves and some corners to learn how to make inside and outside corners, some of the very basic techniques you need to start. And we'll cover how to finish a project, such as if it's a multi-part project, you have to assemble it. You may want to sand it. The backside often on my projects will have some fuzz or burrs on it from the blade. We use blades that minimize that, but still they need to be cleaned up a lot of times. We'll cover how to do that, and if you want to sand, stain, paint, seal, it depends on the project, what the purpose of it is, and what material you're using. If you think these videos will be helpful to you, then please hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to try to post once a week, and maybe more, but we'll see how that goes. So if you have any questions or comments, please post those below. I will respond to comments, and I'll do my best to answer questions. If I don't have the answer, I will try to get it for you. Now, I have 2 books I recommend. They're both by Fox Chapel Publishing. They're both available on Amazon. The first one is Scrolling 101. It's inexpensive, very small, short and sweet, but it's got some good information in it. And the second one is Scroll Saw Workbook, which is what I started out with. It has 25 lessons in it that increases your skills incrementally. It gets fairly complex towards the end, but it gives you all the techniques that you need to cut different types of patterns. If you purchase this book and would like me to demonstrate one of the lessons, I'll be glad to do that. So thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in the next video, which will be about scroll saws and blades.